Welcome to Layn HyreCar quick tips. Be very careful about saying you have HyreCar insurance, because you don't actually have HyreCar insurance. So if your HyreCar renter gets in an accident and you got to take your car to the body shop, you don't tell the body shop, hey, I have HyreCar insurance. Most HyreCar owners make this big mistake, and that's a huge mistake because that's not the truth. That's the problem. What you really have is when you contact a body shop, you just let them know, hey, I'm going to be paying for this out of pocket. I have a business, I'm gonna be paying out of this pocket. So that way they get the invoice ready for you, and that's it. Because you start to confuse them, because they'll ask you what the insurance company's name is, who's covering you, and you don't have that information because it's not HyreCar. HyreCar is not an insurance agency. They're not insurance licensed, and they're not an insurer. They're not bonded by the states in regards to offer insurance or quotations. So what you have is something called surplus line. Surplus line simply means it's a product a coverage that covers a very risky business liability that maybe other traditional insurance companies would not cover because it's a bit risky for their appetite, and that's what we go by, appetites. So liability appetite. So very important to mention when you take your car to a body shop, let them know you'll be paying out of pocket, because that's essentially what you'll really be doing is you'll be paying, deposit the money into your account. Maybe in some rare cases they might pay the body shop, but more like you're going to be in control. So let them know you'll be paying for it, so you don't confuse them and say, hey, I'll take care of you right now. I'm just taking my card. And they'll be okay with that, because it's a bit unorthodox for them, and it's a bit rare because they're usually used to dealing with someone who only has a personal insurance policy, and you have a surplus lines policy because you're running a business. Let them know you're running a business and you'll pay for out of pocket, and that's it. And so they'll have your vehicle, they'll have it in their possession, so they know you won't drive off with it's damaged, and also they have in your possession your keys, and it's locked in the shop. They'll create an invoice to you, get an invoice, and then you give it to HyreCar, and that way you actually get paid out, and then you pay the body shop. Very important. Do not make the mistake of saying you have HyreCar insurance. You don't. You have surplus lines, and just say you're going to be paying for out of pocket, so you don't cause confusion. Just you causing confusion can make a body shop not want to deal with you. Very important. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. That's how you actually talk to a body shop. And remember, you don't have HyreCar insurance. That doesn't exist. You have surplus lines. You have coverage that's offered to HyreCar owners, and you're going to be utilizing that coverage. Once they give you an invoice of the payout, you'll submit it to HyreCar. They'll go over it themselves and make sure it's accurate, and then they'll pay you out or create what they call a supplement, adding in addition to is maybe your estimate came to $7,000, but they found $500 worth more of damage, so they'll add a supplement, or maybe it's exactly correct. That's how you do it, people. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my Instagram, Conrad Layn. If you have any questions, concerns, leave them below in the comment section. And I'm pretty good about answering questions. And follow me on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like the channel. Share the video and share the channel. Like, subscribe, share. Carlin out. Peace.